welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a food debate that has been going on for years. Fresh versus frozen. Which is really better? Whether it's veggies, fruits, or even meats, there are so many myths and opinions out there. Today, we're setting the record straight with some facts, so you can make the best choices for yourself and your family. Let's get started! Understanding fresh versus frozen. First, let's talk about what we mean by fresh and frozen foods. When we say fresh, we're talking about produce that's recently harvested and hasn't been preserved in any way. Frozen means produce that's harvested at its peak and then frozen to preserve its nutrients and flavor. But which one is actually better? Let's break it down by looking at nutrition, taste, convenience, and cost. Nutrition, fresh versus frozen. Alright, let's start with nutrition. Some people think fresh foods are always more nutritious because they're straight from the garden or farm. But here's the thing. Fruits and vegetables start to lose nutrients the minute they are harvested. By the time they travel from the farm to the store and then to our plates, some of that nutrient value can be lost. With frozen foods, they're typically flash frozen shortly after they are harvested, which locks in a lot of those nutrients. Studies have shown that frozen vegetables can actually be just as nutritious, if not more nutritious, than fresh produce, especially if the fresh produce has been sitting around for a few days. So, in terms of vitamins and minerals, it's actually a tie or even a win for frozen, especially if your fresh produce isn't truly fresh by the time you eat it. Taste and texture. Fresh versus frozen. Now let's talk taste and texture. Fresh produce is often the winner here because we're used to that crisp bite and juicy flavor. But frozen produce can also taste amazing, especially if it's cooked right. The freezing process can change the texture a little, making things like strawberries a bit softer when thawed. But for things like spinach, broccoli, and peas, the texture can be pretty spot on. And frozen fruits work beautifully in smoothies, oatmeal, and desserts where the texture change isn't noticeable. So for taste, it depends on the dish, but fresh might have the edge for things like salads, while frozen works well for cooking. Convenience, fresh versus frozen. Alright, now for convenience. Frozen foods are a huge time saver. They are pre-washed, pre-cut, and ready to go straight from the freezer. Plus, you don't have to worry about them going bad in a few days. This makes them perfect for those busy days when you just don't have time to prep. On the other hand, fresh produce does require a bit more time for washing, chopping, and possibly peeling. But fresh produce can be great if you enjoy the preparation process and want the freedom to choose your ingredients just before cooking. So in terms of convenience, frozen takes the price here. Plus, you can buy frozen foods in bulk so they're super practical if you like to meal prep or have things on hand for a quick meal. Cost, fresh versus frozen. Finally, let's talk about cost. Fresh produce can be pricey, especially if you're buying out of season items. Frozen foods are generally more affordable because they can be packed and stored for longer periods. This is why you'll often see frozen blueberries or spinach at a lower price than their fresh counterparts. So if you're shopping on a budget, frozen can be a great way to get your fruits and veggies without breaking the bank. So what's the final verdict? Fresh or frozen? The truth is, there's no single answer. It really depends on your priorities: taste, cost, convenience, or nutrition. Fresh produce might be ideal if you want that perfect texture and flavor for certain dishes. But frozen is a fantastic choice if you want something budget friendly, time saving, and still packed with nutrients. For most of us, a mix of both fresh and frozen might be the way to go. Use fresh for those recipes where texture matters, and frozen for convenience and budget friendly options. So here are a few quick tips when shopping. 1. Shop seasonal. If you're buying fresh, go for fruits and veggies that are in season for better quality and prices. 2. Read labels. For frozen, check that they're not packed with added salt, sugar, or preservatives. 3. Stock up smart. Frozen veggies are great to keep on hand for a quick and nutritious meal any day of the week. And there you have it, fresh versus frozen. Let me know in the comments what you prefer, or if there's a specific food item you'd like to us to compare next. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more food tips and tricks. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.